Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll go over review questions 4 through 6. Let's begin with review question number 4. Michael's company is working to develop a patent. Can Michael include the research and experimental costs related to obtaining the patent as part of his basis in the business? A. Yes, but only if he also deducts these costs as current expenses. B. Yes, but only if he does not also deduct the costs as current expenses. C. Yes, but only if he also includes the cost of developing models in his basis. Or D. No, costs for research and experiments must always be deducted as current expenses. The answer is B. Michael may include in his basis the cost of experiments and research as long as he does not also deduct those same costs as current business expenses. Now let's look at review question number 5. Section 197 intangibles must be amortized over what period of time? A. 60 months. B. 120 months. C. 180 months. Or D. 240 months. The answer is C. Section 197 intangibles must be amortized over 180 months. Now let's take a look at review question number 6. Which of the following is not a Section 197 intangible? Goodwill, going concern value, a non-compete covenant, or foreign currency? The answer is D. Foreign currency is not considered a Section 197 intangible.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.